Okay guys, so we're looking at the Platinum Boss MX300 rational stereo amplifier. As you can see, this amplifier is a 2-channel amplifier, and this is a very good amplifier, and I'll tell you why.
Dance when the bass hit, dab on the spaceship. Me and all my motherfucking homies going ape shit. I'm hella high, bruh, I cannot lie, bruh. I got that motherfucking look in my eye, bruh.
First of all, what I get from the package is the amplifier itself and the manuals. You can see that we have user manuals for the guides and some thing that you can read regarding this amplifier. It's a very good amp, and it also comes with a power cord. Here, as you can see, it's a power cord. It's how long it is. It's rated at, see here underneath there, we have a 10 ampere, I think 16 ampere, not only 10, 250 volts. By the way, you could use this amp into 20 volts, and there. So I repeat again, this amplifier is an Boss MX300, and this has a supply voltage of AC to 20 volt, 60 Hz frequency, and has an electric consumption of 480 watts. And this amplifier has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It means it can produce those frequencies within that frequency range, and that is limited to the kind of speaker that you use, if it's a tweeter, if it's a mid speaker, or a subwoofer. And there's a total harmonic distortion of 1%, 1 kHz. And as you can see here, there is A and B music input sensitivity. It says about 200 millivolts, and the rated output power of this power amp is 246 watt, 123 watt per channel. It's a 2-channel amplifier, and 4 ohms. This has a SNR, signal to noise ratio, for about 85 decibels. As you can see the dimensions, it has 420 as its width, and of course it also has 88 millimeter as its height, and 325 millimeter as its dimension. And this weighs for about 6.3 kilograms. It's not bad for its weight. It's really somehow heavy, but you can carry it by only yourself without asking someone's help. And let's proceed on the front specifications of this power amp. Well, by the way, I tell you the things from this amp that you should know. See here, the music input is about, see, there's A and B, so you can select input. For example, here is MP3 player and this is the DVD player. You can select it by using the switch that is from the other side, this one, this A and B switch here, to switch inputs between those A and B. And at the back again, we have here the output. There is a rec and a line, a rec out and a line. I use that, and the quality is surprising. It's really good, it's nice. And as you can see there, the speaker, there is a right and left speakers, and there's also surround at the back, at the bottom. And here, as you can see, there's a minimum speaker impedance of 8 ohms. I don't believe with that, as I use a 4 ohm speaker and they have no problems. But I think 2 ohms this will not survive, or else this will protect. And by the way, I use this amp on A15, and it really sounds great. It's really nice to hear that. And let's proceed on the top. As you can see, there's our toroidal transformer, This is a very good transformer. It's not that heavy. It's not that light. It's just fine. And as you can see, the top is a really good